afternoon, students. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Stay home, stay safe. Today we are going to start our second chapter from part 2, geometry, parallel lines. You learn basic of parallel lines in your 8th standard. Definition of parallel line, definition of transversal, then types of angles formed by parallel lines and transversal, and characteristics of that pairs of angles. Let's revise something. Parallel lines. What are the parallel lines? Parallel lines are coplanar line, but they never intersect each other. Like this. These two lines are coplanar line, but they never intersect each other. And transversal is the line which intersects any two lines in two distinct point. Means अलग-अलग दो पॉइंट में वो क्या करती है? इंटरसेक्ट करती है. Okay, now see. Suppose L and M are two parallel lines and N is the transversal. Okay, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 8 angles are formed by two parallel lines and one transversal. Alternate angles, pair of alternate angles with their properties. Alternate angles means in the form of Z. Z form में C and H. Angle C congruent to angle H. Then angle D congruent to angle E. Congruent to angle E. Okay, interior angles. These two pairs are of interior angles, and property is that sum of interior angles is 180, or interior angles are supplementary angles. Okay, means CE, angle C plus angle E equal to 180 degree, and here angle D plus angle H is 180 degree. Okay, now corresponding angles. 4 pairs of corresponding angles are formed by two parallel lines and one transversal. Angle A and angle H. Angle A congruent to angle H. Angle B congruent to angle E. Then angle C congruent to angle F, and angle D congruent to angle G, like this. Okay, this is the basic part you already studied in your previous standard. Okay, now properties. We have to prove all these properties of angles with the help of theorem. Okay, which are given in your page number 16, 15 also, and 16 also. First theorem is two alternate angles, pair of alternate angle or measures of alternate angles formed by parallel lines are equal. We have to prove that. For this, suppose L and M are your parallel lines and N is the transversal. A, B and C are angles formed by two parallel lines and one transversal. Firstly, we are going to take our property of corresponding angles. For this, given is L, line L parallel to line M. Okay, then prove angles are of equal measures, means angle A equal to angle B. For this, firstly take A plus C, angle A plus angle C. These two are linear pair angles. See here, A and C, means this is linear pair, and addition of linear pair is 180 degree. Linear pair angle. Then this is your first statement. Secondly, these B and C are interior angles, means also addition is 180 degree. Interior angles. You know that corresponding angles are equal, but don't use. We have to prove that thing. A and B are equal in measures. See here, equation 1 and equation 2. One side of equation is the same. One side of both equation is the same. That's why this also same. A plus C equal to B plus C from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Okay. Now C and C will get cancelled, and your property A equal to B is true. Is true. यहाँ पे ये क्यों दिखाया मैंने, देखो सपोज x equal to 5 and y equal to 5, means x equal to y, means x equal to y, like this. Okay. Your first property of corresponding angles is proved. For second, for alternate angles property, your statement is the alternate angles formed by a transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measures. You have to prove alternate angles theorem. Okay, same thing. Always draw your diagram at left side. L, M, N. Now A, B, C. Okay. See, this you have to prove. Firstly, write given. Given is L and M are parallel and N is the transversal. Then second thing is to prove alternate angle where A equal to B. Okay. Firstly, again A plus C is pair of linear angle. That's why summation or sum of these two angles is 180 degree linear angles. Then B and C are again interior angles. Summation of these two is also 180. Okay. Again, these two one side of these two equation is equal. Therefore, angle A plus angle C equal to angle B plus angle C. C will get cancelled. Angle A equal to angle B is your your property which prove. Okay, write these two theorems from your textbook which are given on page number 60. Okay, now let's see some examples. L, M, N. Okay, then this is 120 degree, and you have to find measure of A, B, X, and Y. A, B, X, and Y. Okay, find angle A, angle B, angle X, and angle Y from given figure. Then see, this is 120. 120 is given, and A is the opposite angle of 120, and opposite angles are equally measures. You studied that theorem in your first lesson. Therefore, firstly write angle A equal to 120 degree and write reason for this: vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Then 120 and Y. See, 120 and Y are corresponding angles. Therefore, angle Y equal to 120 corresponding angles. Then 120 and B are linear pair angle. 120 and B are linear pair angle, or 120 and X are interior angles. You can go with any method. 120 and X are linear pair angles. Therefore, addition of both angles with 180 degree interior angles. Okay, then X equal to 180 minus 120, angle X equal to 60 degree, angle X equal to 60 degree. Then B and X are alternate angles. They are in the shape of X. Okay, angle B equal to angle X. Angle B equal to angle X. Okay, therefore angle B equal to 60 degree. Firstly, write here alternate angles. Alternate angles. Understood? You have to use only basic properties. You already solved same types of questions in your 8th standard. Okay, now second question. Second example is that this L, M, and N, and 110 degree, and it will suppose 65 degree, 65 degree, and your question is that L and M are parallel or not. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Okay, now see, suppose L and M are parallel, then these two are interior angle, and addition of interior angle will always 180 degree. Okay, that's why firstly take addition of these two. This addition is 175 degree, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, from above, addition of interior angles is not 180. Is not 180. Therefore, L like L and like M are not parallel. Justify your answer. That's why we are writing here our reasons. Understood? Okay. Firstly, you have to write all properties which are given in starting of video. Then you have to write two theorems given on page number 16. Then write these two examples and then solve your practice set 2.1. Okay, thank you.